So we have to create a user. So let's get start. So I am using this project on MVVM. It is just for beginners how to use MVVM using callbacks. So it's not for the experienced developers. First we need to create a function auth fb user. So we also need to its parameter like email, password, and I create a callback type class using callback. Return types is void. Status is string type, bool type. Sorry. Result is data result. So need to create result with the type of escaping. Dot create. We have to pick the function, the email, password with its completion block. Just make it to guard statement. Let user email is equals to email password. So if there is any error when we enroll the user, pass it to the callback like status false, error dot localization, and its data result. Else true, error empty, and the data result. So I'm using callbacks. Oops, I need to let statement. So I'm using callbacks, so I'm always using a type lice which can be reused in further functions. So I also need to create a view model function in view model. So just make extension of this view model, make a new file, me view model plus fb handler. Import Firebase. On click auth user, email, password, titleize, callback, void type, status. I just copy and paste this. Just call this fb database function in my view model, fb database dot share dot auth user, password, its status error, data result, so I have to call this function when my validation block is valid, all the validations are okay, then we will call this method. So first I need to make a function. Auth user, call this function on this block. Me view model dot share dot this one. If status, try to make these three callbacks. First is status, error, and the object. If your status is okay, then we will proceed further. Don't using force unwrapping, so I make a guard statement, user email, abc xyz abc@gmail.com. Welcome at 123. So we successfully enroll the user into the auth. Just reload it. Our user is authenticated successfully. Then I have to set its display name. Set a display name. If let current user oops. Then we can commit the changes. Commit changes. If let error is equal to error, gmail.com. Welcome at 123. I make a call in my view model, and then my view model call the Firebase auth user. User is scratched successfully. Yes. So now we have to set its display name. We commit the changes and yes, display name is commit successfully. Now we have to sign in the user. In my login view controller, on this block, if all the validations are okay, then I have to make a function sign in user I need to make a function in Firebase. Sign in auth user. Just copy and paste this parameter. Auth sign in with the email, password, and its completion block. So also copy and paste the guard statement, user email, user password, so only this function is changed in sign in this function, and I also need to make another function in my view model that will be on click sign in user, and also need to copy and paste this block, these parameters. FB database dot share dot sign in. So this is email, password, status, error, data result. Be my so using view model, it will make more easy to handle. My view model dot share dot sign in user, if status else print the error in my custom alert. Oops. If let user email is equals to email dot text, let user password I need to print its display name. So data name, data result dot user dot display name. So these are my two users, bbb@gmail as its display name. gmail.com, welcome at 123. Oops, I need to call a function on my block. It's bbb@gmail.com, welcome at 123. I think something is not good. It will get me the error. There are new user recorded to this identifier. I think I missed something in my gmail.com. Yes, I get the user. This user will not contain its display name. Welcome at 123. So I have to log in. So this is the Firebase authentication. So in the next tutorial we will also add the user to its database and store the image in storage. So keep watching, keep subscribe and like my channel.